2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.